No numbers. You gotta drive off the shoulder strong.
Stay on the block.
You gotta shoot that. Beat it to it. You gotta beat it. Don't reach. Good.
Hey, gap. Gracie, higher. Hey, gap.
Hey, yo, wait, we didn't touch it. Did she touch it? 3, Lex.
Gap.
Wide, you gotta go wider.
Hey,
Yukon Lex.
No.
Kate. Thank you. Hey, girls, protect the basketball early. Yo, side stack on instead of Yukon side stack. Side stack out there.
Spread high. Yeah. You gotta attack off the kick.
No allowed. Not allowed. Good.
Hey, you have to attack off that pass. Don't hold the ball. Attack.
Four cross, Lex. Give it back. Stay behind.
Yeah, that's yours. Finish it.
Gracie, take four. Here.
Watching the game through the lens.
All across, let's go. Thank you. Left side. Yo, Boston out. Boston out. Anastasia out. Drive left. Watch your hands. Swing it. Drive. Go left, there you go. So a lot of reaching. Like that. You gotta protect it, right? They're reaching a lot. Come to a jump stop and pull up.
Riley, back here. Riley, back here. Now you're up.
Put it back. Wide and turn. Wide and turn.
Get space out.
Space! Space! You gotta know the space and move away. Space! Hey, side stack! Side stack! Side stack! Look, look! Why not grab it first?
Good take.
Foul! Oh, come on! The push first.
Hey, get it back.
Drop. Yep, yep. There's a jump. You okay? Got a little hit. Like three. Underneath. Face back. Hey, shoot that! One. Strong with it. Good cut. Up, just. Up, just. Up.
31.
31. Hey, Jocelyn, great rebound. Great rebound. Oh. Side stack. Side stack. They're very handsy. Very handsy. Pop out. Pop out. Shoot that. You gotta shoot that.
Get on the ground.
Travel. No way, no way.
Hold it high.
Hey, Sadie. Black ball. Yo. Sadie. Strong, right? So hold the ball strong. Right. Big help. Be there, Kate. Be there, Kate. Be there, Kate.
Goodbye, Riley. Goodbye.
Yeah, if you're one-on-one, just make sure you're there. Look up, look up, look up. Good. Dribble.
You're good, Cora.
Pop out, Lucy. Pop out, Lucy. Do it. Good time out.
I don't know how else to say it. There's no communication, no energy, there's no juice. Like, if you want your parents to start the freaking car, they can start the car, you can get a jump on the track. They let you stop. Like, the body language is carried over from last night. So the offense isn't working. Win the game 2-0. I don't think it doesn't matter. Take it on defense. Don't let weapon not. Miss the shot. Put down here. One of the things that we do is fly out, but when you cut, you can't come behind the kid. Cut in front of her. Make her defend you. Stop taking the easy way out. You have to be consistent. You have to make it hard for them. Matching up the man with everything. You're not talking to your people. Let's go, guys. All right, red ball right here.
Hey, Mike, keep your shot.
Back up.
It's like you never got one. Okay, thanks.
Hey, make sure, hey, yep, make sure you switch if you have to, okay? Just talk. By yourself, by yourself.
Let's go, let's go! Hey!
She got fouled.
Push it.
Good, Alexa! Way to stay in it, Alexa! Did they miss a layup?
Match up now. Match up. Screen coming. Top. Oh, got bounce. What happened? Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Black ball then.
He got pushed out of bounds. He's
I got
saving you a foul. But
Got you. It sucks with those partitions right there. Good.
Steady, go, Riley, go!
Strong though. Hey yo, 31, 31, 31K, 31K, Lex. Oh, right there, look close. Oh, good save. No. Yep, you're in it, you're in it, you're in it.
Racing.
Go by her. Go by her.
All right. Play together here. Come on, dogs. Come on.
Good box out. Run! Why are we standing like that? That's what I don't understand. Cut. Wow.
31, get an easy one. 31, Sadie, get an easy one.
31. 31.
Come on, Sadie, good seal.
Give it to her. Alexa was right there. Why don't you just give it to her? A little bounce pass in the post.
100% right.
Help her there, help her there, help her. Good help. Good help.
Go, Riley, go! Riley, stop looking!
That's a foul. That's a foul. That's a foul. You okay? That was crazy.
Lex, you good?
Sir, can you stop yelling that?
I got you. I got you.
Just make sure we get that.
Riley.
Yo, she got snatched though.
I understand what I said.
Okay. And the ball. And the ball on no way. Yeah, it's gotta be.
Top ball, come on. Let go. Well, let's execute. Let's go. G up, go! Here we go, screen and roll with Lucy. Go through, cross switch. Screen and roll with Lucy.
Good pass. Way over. Not ready to shoot.
Stop ball. Ball there. Shoot there. Get up, get up.
Her elbow. You push it. And
just keep playing and hey, just keep playing hard if you can. Hey, sir, who's the foul on?
Graham brings there too. Yeah. The girls shooting free throws. Like the Air Max 97. There was a name, I forgot the name. There was two players. That's the first player.
Like, worst case scenario.
What is it? Black ball?
damn, they foul you. They ain't calling shit. Hit her. I mean, that's all they happen.
Keep sprinting.
Yeah. 2-0.
Damn.
Sir, do you know who scored the layup for your team?
Number 12.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Get over the screen. Why are you guys still fighting for it? Good pass.
Oh, you gonna shoot? Oh, please.
That's okay. Cut, Sadie, cut. Come on, Riley. Come on, kid. Okay, be ready to shoot. So what if you miss? At least you get some shots off.
There you go.
Yeah, great job. Way to be tough. Great job. Way to be tough. All right? Good. I like you trying to give this. Good job, Luce. Here we go. Lock in here. Make defense together. Attack. Rebounds. That's the same thing. Yeah, the same thing. Give it back. Middle. Watch your back. She's tough.
She's tough. Hands with it. Get it out of there. Get it out of there.
See, get low.
Look up. That way, Riley. Sadie on the wing, wide open. Rematch. Hey, Josh, great minutes. Great minutes. Rematch up. Rematch up. Get it, stay up. Jump to help. Good. Yes.
Yes, easy. Come on, Riley, you gotta get up.
Yeah. Come on. Box out. Travel. And one. You gotta box out. Get back. No, take it.
Be ready to shoot, kid.
Screen and roll, Sadie. Screen and roll. Good shot.
Rebound, Lucy.
Yeah, Lucy.
Rebound, Lucy.
Hold on.
Go, Riley. Riley, go.
Good. Set one. Lucy, yep. Good.
Yep, yeah. Come on, Lucy. Yes, Lucy. Hey, way to go. Good team. Come on, Black. Riley, you gotta be running in that deny.
We dig in. Deny it. Hey, say, deny it. Say point.
Gracie, help out. Let's take the other hand. That's why.
No. Sub. Hey, Boston. Sub, go. Boston, Sadie. Boston. Alexa, get in there. Go, Lex. Oh, she's pushing the shit out of it. Up on it. There you go.
Way to fight, Alexa.
Hey, yo, hey. It's a physical one.
Let's cut off the other.
They're letting it go physical. Let's go. Yo, 32. Yep, our ball. She's ripping the ball according to you.
Ryan, go.
Alexa.
Keep cutting.
Try to rip the ball in.
Alexa, right? Hey, yo, they're coming at you. They're being aggressive. They're not calling, so you have to rip through it. No, I know you gotta rip through it, okay? Okay. Hey. No, that's what I said. Just from there feeding into what you're saying about the foul. There you go. Just be aggressive. Yeah.
Come on, Riley, you gotta be ready for that.
behind her. Yes, loose.
That's good.
Yeah! Good hit, Lucy! Good, Lucy! Yes, stay up, Riley, stay up!
Help, help, help.
Yes, Cora! Cora!
Good take. Good take. One behind you. One behind you.
Go! Finish it! Yes, Riley! Yes, Riley!
Bless you. Bless you. Hey, Lucy.
Yeah, Riley!
First one down, coach. There you go.
Good hit, Riley!
Turn.
Yep, stay front. Stay front. Yep, you're there. You're good.
Like the backdoor cut.
Go, go. Go, keep going, keep going. Yep, you're good. You're good. Yep, you're good. You're good. Yes, Alexa.
Hey, Alexa. Yeah. Eventually, it's got to be something, right?
Oh, look at-
You're going to get it or you're going to get it. Come on, Sadie. Come on.
Oh, that was close.
Hey, get it back, Lucy. Get it back.
Yo, I got you, baby. I got you.
Let's go, Riley. Let's go, Riley. Yes.
Hey, yo. Hey, son, you can do it even right here.
Go, Sadie. Go, Sadie. Extra.
Oh.
31. 31.
It's physical, this one.
Throw her out.
Seal, you gotta wait.
Back.
Son. Oh, yeah, she's
Yep, good.
She's part of this match.
Yes.
That's better.
faded. 10 seconds. Turn and stop.
Go. Score.
Alexa, right behind you.
2 seconds.
You didn't shoot. Was 8.
Not like waiting for them to